Hello children, I hope you all are doing well at your places. So in English today we are going to do composition. Today we are going to do composition and the composition is of parrot. The topic of the composition is parrot. Okay. So this is the picture of a parrot. I hope you liked it. This is the picture of a parrot. And what is parrot? Parrot is a bird. Parrot is a bird. Let's start. The parrot is a very beautiful bird. The parrot is a very beautiful bird. Isn't parrot beautiful? It is beautiful, right? So, the parrot is a very beautiful bird. Next is its feathers are green. Its feathers are green. Look at this picture. What is the color of the parrot? It is green. It is green. Next is it has a curved red beak. What is the color of the beak? The color of its beak is red. Its beak is red and it is curved. It is curved from down bottom. It is curved. It's like a hook. Next is there are black rings around the neck of a parrot. There are black rings around the neck of a parrot. Look here. You can see a black ring over here, right? So, there are black rings. Okay. Next is it eats grains, fruits, leaves, seeds, etc. What does it eat? It eats grains, fruits, leaves, seeds, mangoes, etc. Okay. See, what is this parrot eating? It is eating grains. It is eating grains. Okay. Next is a parrot is a talking bird. It is a talking bird. It can talk. Right, children? If you teach the parrot properly, it can talk also. It can mimic. Okay. It can imitate others. Next is they are generally found in all the warm parts of the world. They are not found in cold parts. They are found generally in all the warm parts of the world. The country which is warm, they are found in those countries. Okay, and in those part of the world. They are generally found in the hollows of the trees. They are generally found in the hollows of the tree, or you can say in the burrow of the tree, the hollow part of the tree, the empty part of the tree. Next, parrots can fly quickly and generally they fly in herds. They can fly, parrots can fly very quickly and generally they fly in herds. Herds mean in a group. Some people keep them in cages, which is not good. Children, you must have seen most people keep the birds in cages, which is not at all good. Why it is not good? Because suppose, just think, if I close you inside a room, how will you feel? You will feel suffocated. You won't like it, right? In the same way, the animals and birds also don't like being caged. They don't like to be caged. Okay, they want to fly free high in the sky. So, it is not good to keep the birds in the cages. Okay, see here, you can see this parrot is in the cage. This parrot is in the cage. It's not looking happy, right? It wants to come out of the cage. So, it's not good to keep the birds in the cages. Okay, children, let's revise once again. The parrot is a very beautiful bird. Its feathers are green. It has a curved red beak. There are black rings around the neck of a parrot. It eats grains, fruits, leaves, seeds, etc. A parrot is a talking bird. They are generally found in all the warm parts of the world. They are generally found in the hollows of the trees. Parrots can fly quickly, and generally they fly in herds. Some people keep them in cages, which is not good. So these are the 10 points of the composition. Children, you have to note down this composition in your notebook. Okay, revise it again. Till then, take care.